Welcome to a new IntelliServe tutorial video. I'm going to briefly show you how to build a filter on your table views in the system. What you'll notice on this job card list view, this user doesn't have a filter where they can say, only show me job cards that are not completed. So wherever you need to build a filter, you're going to right click on anywhere on the heading row. You're going to choose Filter Builder, and you're going to get this Filter Builder pop-up. You're going to leave the word and, you're going to click on the plus sign, and we're going to change in this instance to status completed. We're going to leave the equal sign, and we're going to click on the question mark. First we're going to tick the box, and then we're going to untick the box. And the reason for this is that we want to show job cards where the status completed does not equal true. And to click on OK. And now you'll notice all those completed job cards are no longer on the view. If you want to now see all job cards, completed or otherwise, you can just deselect this filter line that now appears on the bottom. And all of the completed job cards are back. So that's just one example of how you can build a filter on any of your tables in IntelliServe. Thank you for watching.